And what do we say? Work it out, work it out, work it out, wombats. Where there's a will, there's always a way. Work it out, work it out, work it out, wombats.
We've got ideas for days.
Solve problems lots of ways.
I love it when we play.
All together.
Hey, I'm Zadie. Bring on the problems. Try some different things till we solve them.
I'm Malik. We'll work it out, just wait. We make some plans, then we build and create.
I'm Zeke. Here's Snout. We like to explore.
Let's go do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Help's never far away, that's for sure. Work it out, work it out, work it out, wombats. Come join the fun, you ready? Let's go. Work it out, work it out, work it out, wombats. Work it out, work it out, work it out, wombats. Yeah!
Clay date with Louisa.
Lickety-split with the breakfast dishes. It's time for Zeke to go to the creation station.
Let's get going. I don't want to be late for my clay date with Louisa. We're going to make stuff out of clay.
What are you gonna make?
I don't know. Oh, maybe I'll make something for you, Grandma.
I would love that. I just love all the art my little squishes make for me. I love the mug Malik made for me and the picture you drew of me. And I adore the clay figures of the whole family Zadie made.
These are really good, Zadie, but there's no Snout. Snout's a part of our family. Oh, I forgot to make a clay snout. Sorry, Zeke. It's okay. Now I know what to make on my clay date with Louisa. A clay snout, just like the ones you made, Zadie. Then you'll have the whole family, Grandma. See ya! Oh! What if we make the whole neighborhood out of clay and our house?
For our clay family to live in.
And we'll surprise Zeke with it.
To the creation station.
Louisa! Clay, we get to play. Play with clay. It's a wonderful day. We get to play with clay. I'm going to make a clay snout for Grandma that looks like the one Zadie made of our whole family. Ooh, I'll make a clay Sir Snuggles. If I break him down, he has a big circle for the head, small square for the body, long rectangles for the arms and legs, 2 tubes for his ears, and a triangle for his horn. Now, to make the shapes out of clay. Big circle for the head, small square for the body.
There's Zeke and Louisa. Can't let them see us, or the surprise will be ruined.
Phew! Okay, time to make a clay neighborhood.
Let's start with the trunk.
Too bendy. We need something so it won't bend over.
Pipe cleaners?
That'll work.
How do we keep it upright?
We can add roots. Zeke is going to love this. All done. That's a really good Sir Snuggles. It looks just like him. Let me see yours. It didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. It doesn't look much like Snout at all. I think it turned out amazing. But I want a clay snout that looks exactly like the clay figures that Zadie made of our family. They look just like us. Do you want me to help you? Okay. Now I'm going to make me out of clay. Big size circle for my head. Medium circle for my body. Rectangle arms and legs. Triangle ears. you okay, Zeke? Yeah, I just can't. It won't. Ah! Wait, a treeberhood needs branches.
Nice. Now we just need houses.
All done. See? It's me. Why doesn't mine look like yours? Did you not know that Snout is made up of shapes just like Sir Snuggles is? Circles and rectangles and triangles. Oh, I know how to get Snout's shape right. Trace around him. One time, Zadie wanted to draw me, and she had me lie down on a big piece of paper so she could trace around me to get my shape right.
Clay houses are too heavy. We need to use something lighter than clay.
Paper?
Paper's perfect.
Oops. Sorry, nothing to see here. See ya. I made Snout. I made flat fall-over Snout. I like it. When it dries, you can hang it on the wall. I don't want a flat snout to hang on the wall. The ones Zadie made aren't flat. I don't want to play clay anymore. Because why? I see Snout in here, but when I try and make it, it doesn't look like him at all. How come my Snout isn't as good as yours, Sir Snuggles? Did you not know that I could show you how I do mine? If you want me to. I broke down Sir Snuggles into shapes first, and then I drew them. Here's how to break down Snout. Big circle for Snout's head, square for his body, long rectangles for his arms and legs, and small triangles for his ears. Those are Snout's shapes, all right. First, I'll make a big circle for Snout's head, square body, long rectangle arms and legs, small triangles for his ears. Now put it all together. That looks just like Snout, and it looks like the ones that Zadie made. Thanks for helping, Louisa. Clay, clay, we get to play. Play, play, play with clay. Made a snout out of clay. We get to play with clay. What do you think, Snout? Snout loves it and says you're a good teacher, Louisa. You should do a class on clay. We should do a class on clay. Yes, a how to make yourself out of clay using shapes class. When do you want to do it? Now! Anyone who wants to learn how to make yourself out of clay using shapes,
Oh, I'll get even with you later, Balloons!
come to the Creation Station now!
You know I'm in. Woo!
I'm Teacher Louisa, and this is Teacher Zeke. In our class, How to Make Yourself Out of Clay Using Shapes, you will learn how to make yourself out of clay using shapes. First, break down the shapes and then draw them. Mr. E, isn't the shape of your head a circle?
I'm going with square. I learned how to draw a square in art class. It was one of my greatest achievements.
Okay, now what shape is your body?
I'm also going with square. It's my best shape. Now, what comes next? Ah, yes, my arms and legs and my tail.
Your arms and legs are long rectangle shapes, so draw long rectangles. Close enough. What's that?
Muscles.
Now that you've drawn your shapes, It's time to make each shape out of clay and put them together.
The Everything Emporium and the Eat and Greet. What are you making?
Clay waffles and pizzas to attract customers.
I think I found a new passion. Clay.
Mr. E, you attached your legs to your head. Legs go here and arms go here.
It's me. It looks just like me.
Let's make more Treeberhood friends out of clay. Clay, clay, we get to play. Play, play, play with clay.
Making our friends in the Treeberhood, we get to play with clay.
We did it, Zadie! We made the whole Treeberhood. Let's give it to Zeke. We worked it out! Ladies and gentlemen, presenting your very own Clay Treeberhood!
Yay!
Wow!
Welcome to the Everything Emporium, where you can find everything.
Bouncy, 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 bouncy.
What are the specials at the Eat and Greet, Mama? Waffles and pizza?
I'm hungry for waffles.
You can have all the waffles, Junjun. I want pizza. Nom 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 nom. Best clay date ever! I made this for you, Grandma.
Thank you. I'm gonna put it right here.
Now you've got the whole family and the whole Treeberhood.
I just love, love, love all the art my little squishes make for me.
And we just love, love, love you.
Aw.
Find more of your PBS Kids friends on your local PBS station and the free PBS Kids video app. Also, subscribe to the PBS Kids Prime Video channel.